Go.
Happy birthday
Wo in ni to a special le mai hey.
Happy birthday
Mila.
to you.
Kan tu mu mai chen.
To
Mo sak terin.
Emmy.
Happy birthday.
to
Ti
you.
la meron saksakan hi. Van lom em. Love. Hey Ari le bektean. An ron ti vele thunge. An lom le mang. Kanom ho thei lo na in hey. Ti hianin video tenin ron thona. Thin nung a lomin tu te. Yan bahan tekan em ti hi ka ngai chuha. Le jual la ni. An Mila ang chuanin happy birthday ti. To thleng an se lo thei chia lo ni hey. Ari le bekte hey.
Happy birthday.
Margo le Mayfi ania nakuma chuanin happy birthday ti na chu an sak ve thei nge to kan ring ani anu pon nakuma chuanin happy birthday ti nan sa ve thei to ngan ti an lom kap mai.
Hi, hon. It's Reno's birthday, and how old are you today?
I'm only 3 years old.
You're only 3? Come on, be honest. What? You just turned 50, right? Did you just turn 50?
Only 50.
And here's your cake.
Oh, it's so yummy.
Yeah, and here's the food. What kind of food do we have? We have 2 kinds of food, I think. We have, let's see. Indian food.
Tandoori.
And we have, what other? I know what that is. That's
Okay, what is this? A
beef soup.
Bongs,
Oh.
bongs satui. Oh, there's. Oh, yummy.
I bet it's really, really
Bongs
good.
satui ten lo zuar veni hi America rama. It's from Spanish, right? It's from
Mexican.
Mexican food.
Mexican
look at
gorditas.
this. Oh,
Chicken
yummy.
gorditas. And then we have Manchurian tofu for Daphne, the vegetarian vegan. And we have special drink,
And what is this?
apple grape, and I don't, what is that?
Tun
I
weekend
don't
chu large tele run tele fintea apai
sure
New
what's in
York
it.
lama.
Oh, it's
Oh.
rice.
Boarding turina kalpuya.
know. Rice
Rice.
and,
I guess that goes with the soup.
yeah, that probably goes with the soup.
Yeah.
Anong
Okay.
pui ve
Kan
tunga
ngai
hey.
big mi alo hey kay ni.
Ka birthday.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Emmy's birthday.
Can you say happy birthday, Emmy?
Say cha hi dam lo de uhla kan ja tang khan ni ka
Yay.
Yeah, my
chuan
birthday.
anuam khop maya
What
mai ro chu
Bye
hey
bye.
tuang takin
He's too tired.
kan
He just woke
birthday
up.
chu
Huh?
atarin kan lom ve ya kan chu kwat de
Put it on pause.
cake te min han siam sak ve ya kan nau ten
Did you know that it's Emmy's birthday?
Yep.
ti te mai hianin
Okay, hon.
kan han lom ve ya rong po kan bol lo wa
What? Okay.
so kan order ve ya ti hian
Who's gonna
ke
blow
ni
up
ho
the
te hian ti hian kan han
candle?
lom ve ni hi
All right, you come this side. Come this way. They can stand next to me. Get the chair. They both get the chair. They both can stand. Okay, I gotta get 2 chairs now. Is it supposed to be like this or like this?
Supposed to be like that.
Yeah, like this, right?
Okay, get on that chair. Sage, you're gonna be on this side of the chair.
Okay, stand up. Stand up. Sage.
Get ready.
Yeah, my body's tired.
You're tired? All right.
Okay.
On 3, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emmy.
Happy birthday to
candle kan hal to hian chuan
you.
hem hlum hi nuam hi ti ve hi
Blow, blow.
ha ko
Yay! Good
ni han chen mi
boy.
sak don hi kan candle hi
Thank you.
nuam man ti ve khop maya he
Happy
Hey, Mila, hianin
birthday to
happy birthday ti min han sak sak le ani hi lom om ve nia
you.
khole khatite mai kha kalo share le chu kan lom thank you so much and God bless atopa hian thlem te kazai kadai in longai thadon ya
Jum quadle get a shring and lam to come chai za line if ya ni champa allo her chocolate len roal ten in siang kan